Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing very well today. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I have a brand new video for you all. So today we're going to be doing a review and a bit of an unboxing of the brand new Plouise budget box. So this is the budget box for July 2023. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, leave me a lovely little comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. Really does help me out. Without further ado, I just want to get started. So as I said, today we're going to be unboxing the July 2023 Plouise budget box. A little bit of context if you don't know what this is. So basically, Paige is the creator of Plouise, an absolutely incredible makeup brand who creates some really talented looks. I will make sure to link them below for you guys. But this is the budget box. So every month she releases a box full of products. It's £30, but if you sign up for a subscription, you can get it a little bit cheaper and get boxes for free, things like that. So this is a budget box that gets released every month. So for example, July's was released on the 11th of August, I believe, and then it was shipped, so I got mine yesterday, which is next day delivery, which is really good. It's usually 24 to 48 hours for the delivery. This is what my box looks like this month. I love the packaging. It's the Pisces box as well, which I love because I'm a Pisces, so we love that. As I said before, this is £30, but you are guaranteed to get at least £60 worth of product in there, as well as a new / unreleased product, which is the thing that really sold me on these boxes. I signed up for the April box and I've had them every month since, and that's because I knew that the brand new blush palette was supposed to be in there. I got that, and then I also got the brand new highlight palette and the Blend Away 2022 massive eyeshadow palette. All for £30, like I couldn't believe the good value, so I've had to stick with it every month since. I think last month we got the World Full of Wonders purple palette, which is stunning. So I want to show you everything we've got this month. So I'm just going to open it up, and the first thing that I saw is incredible. So we've got this, which is the Legally in Love Blush Vault. I actually got one of these blushes from Plouise in one of the budget boxes. I think it was a couple of months ago, it might have been the May one, and I could not believe it because these blushes are beautiful. So these blushes are, I think they're £15 each, if not they're 18, but I'm pretty sure they're £15 each. And in here, I got 4 blushes. So already we've got £60 of the value just from this one product. So let's have a look at the blushes individually because I've not actually looked at them yet. Do you know what? This would be perfect for the Strawberry Girl makeup trend or like a Barbie makeup trend. So this is the first one. This is in the shade Legally Lavender. I want to do a swatch of it. So they come with these cushioned kind of like applicators. This one looks so perfect, it's brand new, so we're not going to use it at the moment. I'm just going to squeeze it out the top, because you can remove that and just squeeze it out the top. That looks so pretty. Let's try to get a bit more close. It's the most delicate pink. It's gorgeous. Can we see it? There we go. It is the most delicate pink, but it is so pretty. So the next one is this one here, which looks so cute. This one's a little bit darker and it's called Legally Pink. I absolutely love the packaging and the thought that goes into these products. Plouise, well Paige, sorry, she never ever disappoints. She always pulls through. I do think they're a little bit more pricey than normal like drugstore products that I'd pay for, but I wouldn't really call her drugstore because I think the quality of her products are just so high. Obviously the price is a little bit more, but the amount of effort that goes into the packaging, that goes into the appearance, the quality, the formula, everything, I think it's worth it. So that's the second shade there. You can definitely see the difference. I'm kind of feeling like this one's more of a Barbie one now. They're so cute though. That one didn't really look that lavendery until I've compared it with the pink one, and now I think it quite does. So for the next shade, let's have a look. Oh, this one's even brighter. So this is what it looks like. This is Princess Treatment. I love the names of these shades, like they're so iconic. I need to have a look at the shade that I've already got and compare it as well. So let's take that bit off the end. Just put a little bit on the back of my hand. Also with these, you need the tiniest bit of product. They are so pigmented. That's like a hot pink. Oh wow. I'd love to try these on my eyes as well. I think they'd be really pretty. So that is the third one, which is a bright pink. I love that. I love the variation in shades as well. I think that's really nice. Okay, let's just wipe my finger off and then we'll go in with the last one. So this one is called Fuchsia Feels. And wow, this one is very bright. I think with this one you'll need the absolute tiniest amount of product because otherwise it will be super, super intense. Let's get a little bit on the back of my hand. Wow, this is just a pure hot pink. It is quite similar to the last one. I just think it's a little bit less purpley and a little bit more solid pink. But those shades are all so beautiful. I think out of them all, the second one's probably more me. But I think the first one's really unique and really, really gorgeous. I kind of want to try mixing them and see what they look like, so I think that'd be really cool. Yeah, these are the swatches and this is what they look like. I think one of the best slash worst things about P. Louise is the packaging, because the packaging is always absolutely incredible. I'm just putting all this back at the moment, but the packaging is just beautiful. So this is the box it all came in, just for the blushes. And I'm kind of feeling like I can't throw this box away because it is just so pretty, it feels like a waste. So I'm now looking around my office thinking, where could I actually display this box? And do I leave the blushes in it? Do I put them in my blush drawer? Do I put them in my P. Louise drawer? Or do I just kind of like keep it all together because it's so pretty? So I think it's like a positive but negative thing because they are so, so beautiful. But then I never want to get rid of them because they're so pretty. So I've got like a stack of different P. Louise packaging and boxing in my room. So the next thing in the box that I've got is the Scrub Away 2022 Body Scrub. So I think it was last month's box or maybe the box before. I actually got their makeup cleanser. So now I've got another P. Louise skin product. I've never tried P. Louise skin until I got the cleanser, which I absolutely love. So I want to see what this is all about. Oh, that smells really nice. What's that smell of? Let's open it properly. I don't know what that smells of, but it smells so nice. It kind of just smells like bath product and I love that. So this says, time to scrub away the past and start something new. 2022, I'm officially over you, which I love. Again, love the packaging for this. Let's just get a little bit of this onto the back of my hand and just see what it feels like. So it's actually a pink gel, which is super cute and very, very on brand. Oh, that's really nice. So you can see it actually, I don't know if you can see that, but it lathers up into a nice kind of foam. And that is really, really nice. And it's got, you can feel the exfoliated particles in it. I don't think they've put too many like granules in there. Sometimes they overfill and put so many like little granules in that it's like scratching you like sandpaper on your skin, whereas this one's actually really nice. It does feel quite sticky now, but I'll have to just remove that later. But yeah, I really like that. I think that's really nice. Again, I love trying new products, especially skin ones, so it's nice to be able to try some more of the P. Louise skin range. So the final thing that's in my July box is the Dream a Little Dream face palette. Again, this has gorgeous packaging. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like. It is super cute, and when we open the actual palette, it's got this mirror here and it's got 4 shades. I will be completely honest, this one I feel like was kind of a hit and a miss at the same time, because for me these 2 shades are way too dark. They are not the right shade for me at all. I understand though, because it's going to be so difficult to be completely inclusive with something like a budget box, unless I did like a little survey for everyone to be able to fill out what they would need for their skin tone, things like that. I think it is quite difficult for them to be able to please everyone, so I understand it, and I think it's really good that they are including things for deeper skin as well as lighter skin. However, I don't think I'll really be able to use this palette as much. I'm very excited to try these highlights because that one especially looks beautiful. It reminds me of the other highlight I've got recently from them, which is the Heart of Gold one, which is this one here. It does remind me of that one, however this one's got more of a warm tone to it, I think. So I'll show you the normal bronzer I'd use. This is from Revolution and it's a shade Warm 02. As you can tell, I've used this a lot, but that's a shade. Compared to that shade, there is a big difference there. For me, that probably won't be one that I'm going to use as much. So that is it. That is my full haul and unboxing for the P. Louise budget box for July 2023. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love filming these. I love showing you what I've got, and I just love trying new products as well. So I think my favourite thing from that had to be the blushes. They are just unreal, and like I said before, I already have one of the blushes. This is the one that I've currently got, which is more of a peachy tone. It's the Sunkissed Miss. So the fact that these are all more pinky tones is really nice that I've got something a little bit different. So I'm really excited to be able to actually try those out and incorporate them into some looks and be able to try different shades of this one. But that is everything for today. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, leave me a lovely little comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it means so much to me. That is it for me today, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye!